Scrubba Wash Bag, the ultimate portable washing machine for travelers and adventurers. Discover the freedom of clean clothes anywhere with the Scrubba Wash Bag, the world's smallest portable washing machine. Weighing just 5.3 ounces and designed for travelers, campers, and adventurers, this innovative wash bag provides a machine-quality clean in minutes. With its patented washboard-in-a-bag design, you can enjoy fresh laundry without the hassle of laundromats or dirty hotel sinks. Embrace the convenience and efficiency that makes the Scrubba a must-have travel essential. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional washing methods. The Scrubba Wash Bag is not only compact, but also ultra-portable, easily folding to fit in your pocket or backpack. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or traveling on business, this manual washing machine allows you to do laundry anytime, anywhere. Its versatility accommodates small to medium loads, including t-shirts, underwear, and even delicates, providing a hygienic and effective wash every time. Ease of use is at the core of the Scrubba experience. With simple 6-step instructions printed on the bag, you can wash clothes quickly and efficiently without needing electricity or bulky machines. The innovative design reduces your environmental impact by using minimal water and eliminating the need for commercial laundries. This eco-friendly approach means you can travel light and make a positive contribution to the planet while enjoying fresh laundry on your adventures. The Scrubba Wash Bag is built for durability and quality, made from robust 40D nylon with APU coating. It not only serves as a portable washing machine but also doubles as a dry bag or laundry hamper. This multifunctionality makes it an excellent investment for travelers, allowing you to save time and money on laundry services while enjoying the freedom to wash your clothes when and where you want. Join the ranks of over 300,000 satisfied Scrubba users worldwide and experience the ultimate convenience of clean clothes on the go. This affordable and tech-tested solution transforms how you do laundry, making it the ideal gift for travel enthusiasts and outdoor lovers alike. With the Scrubba Wash Bag, you can enjoy lighter luggage, less time spent on laundry, and more time savoring your journey, because adventures should be enjoyed, not interrupted.